It's the greatest music given.
I ain't about to waste no time on you weak assholes. You been hot all summer, now it's about to get cold. Now you wanna answer calls, ain't that some shit? I'ma leave your shit on red and I bet you trip. I bet you flip like you my bitch. You popping up by surprise, old man. You a homebody now, telling all type of lies. I'm dishing right back. Go MIA for hours when I said be right back. Look, said I ain't got it, but you know it's a lie. Saying that I'm in the strip, flooded out with my guys. Catch me on the lie, believe me when I say it ain't me. On the phone with your friends trying to spill the tea. By hoes I see you bitches weak. You not on fleek, you just a freak. I choose to see a couple times out the week. It's called outside, it's a brand new me. Thought you had a nigga, why the fuck you all under me? The fall is approaching and it's a fat nigga season. Look, you been gone all summer long. You come back, baby girls, for a reason. Wanna lay up and fuck, then hibernate. I got options, ain't no time for no dinner dates. It's a fat nigga anthem. You better tell your little nigga gotta man up. The fall is approaching. It's a fat nigga season. Look, you been gone all summer long. You come back, baby girls, for a reason. Wanna lay up and fuck, then hibernate. I got options, baby girl, ain't no dinner dates. It's a fat nigga anthem. You better tell your little nigga get a man up.
Tell that nigga get his weight up. Party time over, gotta make up. Call me all night, wanna stay up. All night you wanna eat good and lay up. Gotta smoke good when you wanna wake up. Holiday season, wanna cake up. Oh, I thought you wanna drive the boat. Now my kids wanna water slide down your throat. Pop her ass off like murder she wrote. So cold in the D, I don't need a coat. Now you wanna give me your heart. All you need now is a brand new start. Wintertime, and I'm feeling so petty. How you go from hot girl to ugly Betty? Wanna spin me like a fucking top, then come around when the fucking record drop, bitch stop.
The fall is approaching and it's a fat nigga season. Look, you been gone all summer long. You come back, baby girls, for a reason. Wanna lay up and fuck, then hibernate. I got options, ain't no time for no dinner dates. It's a fat nigga anthem. You better tell your little nigga gotta man up. The fall is approaching. It's a fat nigga season. Look, you been gone all summer long. You come back, baby girls, for a reason. Wanna lay up and fuck, then hibernate. I got options, baby girl, ain't no dinner dates. It's a fat nigga anthem. You better tell your little nigga get a man. I know you thought I forgot, but you holding me. Them the shows with me. You thought I forgot how you play with me. Ain't no hate in me. You thought I forgot. None of that for the winter time. It's my game for the winter time when it's mine.